Scene script. Imagine being deep in the wilderness, your stomach growling, and you realize you've forgotten your cooking pots. What do? Today, we're exploring 4 innovative methods to cook and boil water when traditional cookware is not an option. Firstly, consider the humble zip-top bag for steam cooking. Place a flat rock on a heat source, taking care to avoid river rocks which can fracture. Suspend your zip-top bag filled with water and uncooked food over the hot rock. Drip water onto the rock to generate steam, and voila! Your meal will be ready in about 10 minutes. Secondly, heat pouches provide a convenient solution for those with freeze-dried meals. Empty the dry food into a foil pouch, fill it with water, and heat it. Once the water boils, add the food back and stir. The pouch can be reused for heating more water later. For a primal culinary experience, a pit oven is your best bet. Dig a hole, light a fire, and as the flames rise, add large rocks. When the rocks become coals, add wet green plant material, followed by layers of food and more plant materials. Cover the pit with dirt and wait for a few hours. It's old school, but it works. Lastly, plastic bottles can double up as makeshift pots for boiling water. Suspend the bottle above the fire, spinning it to distribute the heat evenly. Hard plastic bottles and water bladders are more heat resistant, but should still be kept away from direct flames. A few survival secrets to remember. Tent stakes can serve as a makeshift grill over a fire, and a prickly pear pad can filter water. Just place the pad halves, insides facing down, in the water container after the sediment has settled. The pad's gum will absorb dirt and bacteria. In conclusion, being able to cook without conventional pots and pans is a testament to one's resourcefulness and survival skills. With these 4 methods, steam cooking in zip-top bags, heating pouches, baking in a pit oven, and boiling in bottles, you can ensure that you'll never be left hungry or thirsty in the great outdoors.